guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. How have you guys been doing? If you're new, my name is Victoria. Welcome. So in today's video, I am going to be reviewing this Olay Retinol 24 night cream, fragrance free, because that is key in my skincare routine. I have freaking sensitive skin, so fragrance free, pretty much everything is the key to making my skin freaking happy. Okay, you guys, so I filmed a little review the last 5 nights, putting this cream on, testing it out, seeing how I love it. So when I saw that Olay put out a new night cream, I knew I had to give it a try. One, I've just been wanting to add a retinol into my night care routine for a while now. I am of an age where I feel like I need to start being really serious about my skincare because I am not trying to get no wrinkles. I want to keep my skin young and preserved for as long as I possibly can. So SPF, retinol, you name it, whatever I need to throw into my skincare routine, that is what I'm doing. So I've never given a night cream by Olay a try, and to be honest, I've been out of a night cream for the last month and my skin has definitely seen a huge downfall since I stopped using a freaking night cream. So when I was at the drugstore the other day, I picked this up because I was in desperate need. I'm going to give you guys a little look on how the last 5 nights went as I tested out this cream. It did say to do a total of like a 28-day trial and it will completely transform your skin, which I do completely plan to continue using it. So if you are looking to add a new night cream to your skincare routine, keep watching this video. Without further ado, let's jump on in to night 1. Hello. Okay, I'm just hopping out the shower. Clearly, that's why I look like this. Getting ready for bed. It is night 1 using the Olay Retinol. Literally feel like I have like a weave on right now. I'm like, hey guys, what's up? So it's night 1 of me using the Olay Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer, fragrance free, which is a plus because if you are new here, then you will soon realize that I have super sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, definitely stick around throughout this video and see how my face holds up throughout the week. I'm going to be using this every single night for the next 5 days, and we will see what this skin looks like on day 5. So here is a before. My skin honestly has been doing pretty good. I don't really have any blemishes right now. I've gotten rid of most of my big scars. Can't talk, like this is literally like in my way. Okay, I'm back. My hair is crazy, but I'm about to go to bed. So let's go ahead and dig into this night cream. So you definitely get a lot of cream, which I like. Oh shit, just fell flat down. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this cream all over my face and my neck because whatever you do on your face, girl, you need to do on your neck, okay? It is so important because it ages hella quick, just like the skin on your face. So I'm just going in with like a small amount just because it doesn't have a scent. Obviously it says it's fragrance free, but I feel like sometimes when stuff, you know, says it's fragrance free, it still has like a slight fragrance, but it doesn't have any fragrance at all. It is really nice, feels cooling. So far, so good. I don't feel any tingling or any burning sensations, which is what I look for when I'm trying a cream or a face mask, because usually within the first few seconds, my face will either turn bright red or start burning, and I'll know that that product is not for me. I'm literally gonna go in and blow dry my hair after I am done filming this because my hair is looking crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna say overall, I'm not gonna give too much commentary here, but I'm just gonna say overall, so far, first impression, it's super velvety, super smooth, and it really just makes your skin feel super soft, which yes, I love a good soft skin moment, especially right before bed. It doesn't feel super thick the way some night creams can. Honestly, sometimes some night creams make my skin feel like I'm like suffocating and I instantly feel like it's clogging my pores. Hopefully the next time you guys see me, I don't have a red rash on my face and it's not all swollen, lumpy, and frumpy. Hopefully I'm looking good. So I will catch you guys tomorrow night. Bye. So Olay Retinol 24 Moisturizer penetrates deep into the skin surface layers. It has vitamin B3. Its retinoid complex delivers visible improvements in fine lines, wrinkles, smoothness, brightness, firming dark spots. It just helps just the overall like appearance of your skin, and it's supposed to give it like a really good hydration while you sleep. So I definitely can let you guys know that the hydration part is most definitely there. But I will say night one went off without a hitch. The fact that I didn't wake up with any hives, I didn't immediately get any redness or any swelling. I didn't really want to do too much feedback while I was, you know, filming those like little clips, because I wanted to be able to fully, you know, give it a couple of days before I was able to tell you if I liked the product or not. But after night two, okay, I noticed a really good glow. I was like, okay, I think this product is working. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to night two. So far, so good. No rashes, no weird blotchiness. I will say I did randomly get a pimple, if it would focus, on the top of my head. Nothing crazy, nothing big. So yesterday I forgot to mention that I only used an eye cream and just this. Usually I'll go in with an oil and I'll go in with a few other skincare products. So I did go ahead and add my typical skincare routine, and I'm gonna see how it mixes tonight with this moisturizer. So far by itself, if you have a really simple skincare routine, it seems to do really good on sensitive skin. I do feel like my skin was extra moisturized this morning when I woke up, not in like an oily way, but in a good like a dewy way. Let's see how tomorrow my skin looks mixed in with this moisturizer and my regular skincare routine. Good night. I do have acne prone skin, and my skin does scar significantly. Like, all I have to do is even get a pimple on my face, not even pop it, and it will scar. I started to notice that my skin was just looking more even, and I was like, okay, what is going on? I hadn't been having any breakouts, so I was like, maybe it's just a combination of not having any breakouts and using this product, and my skin's just really glowing. I definitely feel like you have to take care of your skin from the inside out. In the last month, to be honest, I have been trying so hard to up my water game. Like in the morning, I drink, and about a month ago, I did start drinking 3 huge glasses of water every single morning before I get my day officially started, and I feel like that has like played key to, like, you know, really helping my skin also. But I know this cream was adding like the extra glow, because I was like definitely lacking like a lot of stuff in my skincare routine. Things were looking good by morning 5, okay? I was like, yes, with the glowy, dewy skin. It's officially the last night that I'm going to be testing this cream out with you guys on camera. So it is night 5, and I can say that I am loving this cream so far, and I'm definitely going to continue using it. You guys, honestly, I haven't really changed up anything in my skincare game in like a hot minute. It's honestly been a little while since I've added any new products, and I haven't gone anywhere to pick up any new products. Quarantine, COVID, we've been stuck at home, and I haven't really been interested in buying any new skincare products until this bad boy came along. So I can let you guys know that 5 days in, and I have noticed a subtle difference in my skin. This is definitely something that my skin has been needing, because I felt like it was so dull. I felt like it was just so dull, and it just needed something. So I definitely feel like I owe it to the retinol that is in this cream. I feel like my skin just kind of drank it up, and I noticed that my skin was extra vibrant this last week, and I am freaking digging it. I'm feeling it, I'm vibing it. I feel like this is what I needed in my nighttime skincare routine. So if you are not the type of person to hit up Sephora, hit up Ulta, or hit up any of those like big name stores that sell skincare, I definitely recommend hitting up Walmart, hitting up Target, hitting up your local grocery store. If you are over the age of 22, I definitely recommend getting yourself a little skincare regimen going, because, you know, gravity. The first night I didn't want to go in with like all my regular skincare products. I wanted to do things in phases just to see how this cream worked with different things. I really didn't want to cause myself to get like crazy breakouts. I was like not in the mood for that. I was like, please let this be a product that is a holy grail, not a holy fail. The formula of this cream is incredibly velvety. Like, I mean, it feels so good on the skin. This cream right here definitely feels more of like a high-end cream. So I've used high-end creams, I've used low-end creams. I like a little bit of both, honestly. I'm not too bougie. I like anything that's like good for my skin. I almost feel like it just like kind of blurs your pores out, and it almost feels like you're putting like a nice blurring primer on your skin, to be honest, but it's obviously not a primer, it's a moisturizer. You could feel the back of my hands, it feels so good. Just feels really velvety, but not in like a thick, obnoxious way. It's not going to give you clogged pores. You're not going to wake up with a huge pimple on your face, hopefully. You know, that my face didn't, I usually do, so hopefully you don't. Yes, we love a non-clogged pored face, okay? It leaves your skin feeling so soft the next morning, like I could not stop touching my face, and the glow that this product leaves your skin is unreal. I don't have any highlight on my face at all. I don't even really wear highlight, and I feel like you can definitely see that my skin is glowing. My skin just has this glisten, which is how I feel like my skin has been every morning the last 5 mornings since I started using this. I feel like especially during these summer months when we are outside and the sun is beaming and just the temperatures are higher than usual, our skin needs the extra TLC, it needs the extra moisture. So to go in with a cream like this at night is definitely key, because it just helps repair your skin as you sleep. I don't like to wear makeup every single day, so I like to wake up and feel like my skin is, you know, ready to just start the day without me having to apply anything. I like to see that my complexion is just looking even, and I feel like with this product, although it hasn't been drastically changed, like the complexion part, I feel like just the overall glowiness factor definitely takes the cake and just makes my skin look radiant and vibrant, and that alone just makes my skin look like super clear and beautiful, which I feel like a little extra glow, you know, it takes your mood a long way, especially if you don't wear makeup every single day. You don't want to look at yourself in the mirror and scare yourself, okay? That's just not the goal. So add a little glow factor so you can wake up and look at yourself and feel like, oh, okay, yes, she is that bitch, she's ready for the day, and she don't even need to slay, okay? There you go, Dr. Seuss. I'm about ready to take your job. So that's gonna be it, you guys. That concludes my Olay skincare review. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you now have a cream that you can run out and go get and add to your night skin, night routine. There we go. I was like, I don't even know where I'm going with this, but I hope I gave you guys a new find that you can go out and buy and add to your routine that can hopefully, you know, add a little oomph to your skin, because it definitely added something to mine. I'm not feeling myself. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more skincare reviews, and until my next one, I will talk to you later. Bye! I'll give you guys a little skincare close-up. My skin has been doing fairly well. I unintentionally like matched this product today, which is kind of funny. Something that you've already... I literally... Okay, I need to stop filming now. What the fuck? A hair was like attacking me.